Welcome to SGI Wiring Solutions, a trusted name in the electrical industry since 1998. With a commitment to quality and innovation, we specialize in manufacturing copper wires and cables and wiring accessories. In 2008, we expanded our expertise to wiring ducts, setting new benchmarks in quality and performance. Today, we offer two high-performance variants, S2 and S3 wiring ducts, designed for efficient wire management in electrical panels. To meet diverse installation requirements, our wiring ducts come in three slotting options. 1. Standard slot, ideal for general wiring applications. 2. Thin slot, designed for enhanced flexibility with smaller wires. 3. Unslotted, perfect for applications needing enclosed wire protection. Why choose SGI Wiring Solution Ducts? SGI wiring ducts are known for their durability, easy installation, and superior wire protection, making them the first choice of leading panel manufacturers for a wide range of industrial needs. Our ducts are UL, CE, ROHS certified, and are FRLS, flame retardant, low smoke. Our UL certification, as per American and Canadian standards, is a mark of trust and excellence, ensuring that our products meet the highest safety and performance standards worldwide. SGI Wiring Solutions is your one-stop destination for all your wiring needs.